Previously on Sailing Aquarius.
Woohoo! We are sailing!
Oh, look at the mirror.
Mirror, mirror on the wall.
After escaping an uncomfortable anchorage, we were chilling in one of the most beautiful beaches in Praslin, Seychelles, watching people landing from the sky right in front of me. Wow! After meeting new friends, we decided it's time to enjoy this beautiful evening and maybe have some nice dinner. Now let's talk about perfect sunsets and the skyline. It seems doesn't matter where you're gonna drop the anchor in Seychelles, you won't be disappointed. It's just so beautiful. I'm proud of us. Now we're flying our drone more often. I believe I already mentioned in previous videos that Seychelles are not one of the cheapest places. Plus, in many anchorages, which are marine park territory, you have to pay about $17 per day. So we decided to look for a free anchorage, and look what we found. We fell in love immediately. What is so funny?
I mean, when I put my foot in, they just come running after it.
We found a perfect beach, and we liked it so much that even when we were short of food, local currency, and everything else, we still decided to stay. And then I'm looking at this place, and it seems like there is a grocery stop, like, I don't know, anywhere like a half a kilometer away. So we actually got ourselves into full-on hike. So yeah, that's a hike. Beautiful, like most of the places here. Really beautiful. All these rocks, so amazing. So we are only 2 kilometers from Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe, 2 kilometers. Captain Ken, let's go to Zimbabwe.
We are in Africa, supposedly. That's what they say.
We didn't go to Zimbabwe, but along the way we stopped by the beautiful beach. So we made it. We forgot that it's Sunday and it's French heritage, so normally it doesn't work on Sundays, but we were able to do some provisioning, and we in this beautiful place. We actually were anchored up there. One of the first times we stopped next to Praslin. And since we're at the beach, we're sharing a beer after really hard work. Captain Ken,
That's me.
exhausted.
Not completely exhausted. But I've had a pretty good workout today.
And let's not forget, we still have to hike all the way back. So there is a bunch of flying foxes.
So what are we up to?
Going to snorkel right
Oh,
there,
yeah?
next to the rocks.
Let's do it.
Wow, do you see that tuna chasing the fish? Wow. It's so difficult to leave this place. It's awesome. After spending in this beautiful bay a couple of days, we knew there is so much more to explore, so we get moving. Our next destination is in a different island, Curieuse, but it's only a couple of miles away. Literally, everything is so close. I like all these places.
I thought you said you loved them. Now only you like them.
I love all these places.
These places are
Yeah, I look up front.
spectacular.
I look up front and I remember that beach that we went, Côte d'Or. And that's yesterday we went to the grocery store and did our little hike. And of course the last bay. And supposedly the best is still in front. That deep. But this time we will drop anchor at Turtle Bay.
Are you enjoying it here in the Seychelles?
Oh yes.
So what do you think about this place?
Wow. This place is so cool. They have a restaurant as well. Can I take you for lunch?
Maybe. We'll see what they got.
Do you see the turtle?
Yeah, I see the turtle.
Wow. gonna go behind, so just to show how big it is. Oh, now you're surrounded. You are surrounded. Feeling a little bit safer than the Komodo lizards, huh?
Oh, wow.
Seems like Jenna's about to adopt one.
Getting eye to eye with the locals.
There also was a nursery where we could see how these big turtles look like when they are still little ones.
Oh yeah, they are some really small ones.
These are the babies.
These socks, you can feed them with this. Just watch your finger.
Couple hours later, we moved again, just a couple of miles, and stopped by St. Pierre's Island. It is really cool, and we decided to snorkel there. And guess what? We saw another turtle. What a day! We ended evening with a beautiful dinner, and it's kind of even mind-blowing to think that the best what Seychelles can offer, it's still in front of us. La Digue. Join us next week. If you like this video, give us a like down below and click here to subscribe. That really helps us. And if you want to watch more of us, click one of those.